Welcome. Today, we're diving into a handy feature on Instagram that allows you to unsend GIFs from your chats on PC, thanks to a recent update. If you've ever sent a GIF by mistake or simply changed your mind, this guide will walk you through the steps to retract it. Let's get started. First, open Instagram on your preferred web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you haven't done so already, head over to the Instagram website and enter your credentials. Next, look for the messages icon located in the left menu of the screen. This icon resembles a paper airplane and is where all your direct messages are housed. Click on it to access your conversations. Once you're in your messages, find and open the chat where you sent the GIF you want to unsend. Scroll through the conversation until you locate the specific GIF. Now, here comes the crucial part. Next to the GIF, you'll see 3 dots. Click on these dots to open a menu of options related to that message. In this menu, select Unsend. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to unsend this message. Confirm your choice by clicking on the appropriate button. And just like that, the GIF will be removed from the chat for both you and the recipient. It's important to note that once you unsend a message, it cannot be retrieved, so make sure you're certain before confirming. This feature is particularly useful for those who prefer using Instagram on their computers, rather than mobile devices. With this simple process, you can maintain control over what you share in your conversations. Thanks for tuning in. We hope this guide helps you navigate Instagram's messaging features with ease. If you found this information helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might also benefit from knowing how to manage their messages effectively. Happy chatting.